at the airport right now. I'm going through security to get to my destination. You probably already know what it is based off the title of this video, but subscribe and stay tuned. Oh, thank you. Should go in there and buy something, huh? Oh, yep. I'm literally so hungry. I feel like I'm about to black out. I'm about to go see what kind of food I can get into at the airport, baby. At the airport, baby. Hi, can I just get a bowl with rice and orange chicken?
Time now it shows 1:50. The flight time is 2 hours and 49 minutes. 15 minutes, but I don't see. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, everybody, I was in no way, shape, or form prepared for this weather that I just experienced when I got off the plane. I don't think my backpack is going to suffice for this journey, but I guess stay tuned to see if I survive, because I don't really know at this point. Now I'm walking out of the gate because I'm about to go find my mama. She's out there somewhere. Let's go find her. Oh my God. What in the world? This is Texas. This isn't the North. Oh God. Oh. I'm looking for my mother. Help me, mother. It's cold out here. Mother! Mother! Mother, say hi to the vlog. I don't want to say hi to the vlog. It's cold. Don't fit my head anymore. I know. This looks horrible. What is this weather, Mother? How come you didn't tell me about this?
I did. I told you we had a little blizzard.
This is a whole snowstorm. How long did it take you to get here?
An hour.
To get here?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
I only drove 30.
I should have peed.
I know, me too.
This looks awful. It looks like Big Bear all over again. Am I gonna get attacked by dogs?
Yeah, probably. Just lift your leg.
Oh my God! Ah! No!
Daryl! Penny! Get in here!
Oh.
Daryl! No!
Ah! I'm getting attacked! Hey! No! Hey! No! Ah!
Daryl, stop!
No! Just trying to enjoy a piece of fish. Oh, they don't like the camera. Oh, they don't know what it is. Penny likes it. He's scared of it. Look at him. Good morning, world! It's a Ooh. It's almost a beautiful day today. It's literally 5 degrees outside. Let me show you. This weather is horrendous. And the crazy thing is, it's not even supposed to be like this. We're in Texas. It's not supposed to be snowing in Texas. Not like this, at least. I don't like it. I don't like the cold. I'm not built for this. You see all the snow behind me? Look, let me... Oh my God, I need to go on a snow adventure again. I'm tired of these snow adventures. You know what's crazy? I was watching the news last night and they said this is the worst winter storm we've ever had in all of Texas history. This is the week that I decided to come to Texas when it's the worst winter storm in all of history. Please, please someone tell me why my luck is like that. Because I swear every time I decide to go somewhere, it's like the worst winter storm that we've had in history. I went to London to visit my friend a couple years ago. I get there, they're like, it's a polar vortex. This is the first polar vortex in 50 years. And I'm like, how did I get here? Like, why? I don't understand. But you know what? It's okay. Because it's a new day. You know, we're going to see what we can get into today. I'm currently waiting for my mama. She's inside somewhere. And she'll be out eventually at some point. I'm dead, but I'm alive. What you doing? Vlog! It's hour 11:53. The power's out in all of the city. It's 60 degrees in here. It's 5 degrees outside. We're cold, we're hungry.
Can't make any food.
I don't know what to do. Yes, I don't know what to do. Look out there. Oh my God. This is awful. All we have is chips and hummus.
Drop it?
Wow, he actually does.
We gotta have two. The trick.
I know he's cold. Look at his face.
Drop it.
I'm leaving you. It's cold.
Stop your feet.
You don't stop. Okay guys, the power's out in my house. It's been out for hours. It's 5 degrees outside. It's about 55 degrees in here. I'm freezing, I'm dying, but let's go on a hunt through my childhood, okay? This is my 2006 yearbook. Can you see me? Right there. Oh, look at me holding the teddy bear. Wow. Middle school. Let's see what I look like in middle school. There I am. This is me in 8th grade. This is me playing volleyball. Right there. There I am on basketball. Can you find me? Right there. Dang, my neck was long. I was in every sport. There I am, just standing there. There's me in science class. Definitely wasn't doing no science. Best athlete. That was me. What y'all know about? I told y'all I'd be breaking ankles out here. I don't even know. I used to be breaking ankles. Now I don't be doing nothing, but I used to break ankles left and right. Karen. Karen, beauty by KB, beauty by KB. It's not even straight, it's poofy. Ah, that's childish. I look childish. Right there, there's me, there's Karen. What do we think we are? I don't know what we thought we were doing. Oh, let me show you what else I had. So I was in the prom court my senior year. This is my poster to promote myself for prom queen. Don't be mean. Vote me queen. Now that we're done looking at my great life as a child, I'm gonna go freeze to death and I'll be back. We'll be back. Ready? Okay, vlog, we're out driving in the snow. This is where I went to high school. Woo! It's all gated now. Looks like a prison. It is a prison. I'm just kidding. There it is. Yep, this is where I went to high school right there. We're driving right now, trying to find some food, but everything's closed down. There's so many people out here. It's a hard world. The power's still off at the crib. I don't think we're gonna make it, Mother.
We're starving.
I'm starving. I'm so hungry. We're going to the only place open. It's Lebanese food and it's about 40 minutes away.
But we'll get there. We'll get there.
Where we get there?
Shortly.
We've got 36 minutes
Shortly,
to go.
if you don't hit the damn car in front of us. We'll shortly get there.
I'll be back if we make it there, vlog. Say okay.
Okay.
Okay. We made it. This is literally the only place that is open to get food. Shout out to them for being open in the cold weather. Cause if I had a restaurant, I would be shut down, baby. Here she comes. She got the food, cause I'm driving the car. Look at her. Come on, Mother. I got it. I'm ready. Let's eat. What is that? That's hummus too?
It's like a sample.
So hungry. Okay, vloggers. What time is it? 6? 5:45? It's 5:45 p.m. and the power's been off since what time?
At least 11.
The power's been off since at least 11 a.m. I think longer, but we finally found some firewood. So now I'm just sitting here playing with fire because it's cold and it's 58 degrees in this house. And I've got nothing else to do but to start a fire. Let's see if I can light this pine cone on fire. Ooh. Let's watch it burn. This is what I call a fire. This right here. This is prime fire. This is prime fire burning I got right here. I'm staying warm in the winter. The polar vortex won't take me out this time. Maybe next time, but not this time. I look crazy. It's 6:11. The power came on for an hour, and now it's back off again. Why are they doing this to us, Mother?
I don't know. They didn't even give us an hour.
They put it back on for like 50 minutes, and now it's off again. But at least we have a fire this time. This is awful. This weather is awful. Man, now I'm trying to figure out how to keep this fire going so we don't die. Stay tuned to see if we make it. Ew. What hour is it, Mother?
7:37 p.m.
It's 7:37 p.m. We're going on 10 hours. No power.
Yep.
We had it for 30 minutes, but now it's back again. We've been eating pita bread from earlier. Next, I'm gonna try to make a salmon in the fireplace. Do you think I could do it?
You can do it. Not if you don't shine that light in my face.
I've watched a lot of cooking videos. Now it's my time to shine, Mother. Let's go try to cook a salmon. That'll be our task of the night. If I make it there. I'm going to wrap it in aluminum foil and throw it underneath the fireplace. I can't see nothing. I've got candles everywhere though. Can you see me? All right. Gonna put olive oil on it?
Uh-huh.
Let's try to season this. Get some oil. I can't see how much seasoning I just put on it. Just gonna have to guess. Now that the salmon is secure, I'm going to try to put it in the fireplace and see what happens. All right, Mother, you ready for some smoked fish?
I am. Let me get your light on.
Get my action.
Let me get your ring
Here,
light here.
hold my other ring light. Oh look, it looks like a ring on the wall. Okay, we're going in. I should put it underneath in the middle, huh?
Yeah, I think
that's
so.
what they do in the movies.
Yeah.
I need to clear a space. See, they don't use direct firewood on the TV shows. They get the little burnt pieces like this on the bottom and they cover it.
Oh, okay.
All right, I'm gonna put it right there. I need to cover it. I'm covering it. All right. Soon we'll have some smoked salmon. We'll have some smoked salmon. I'll check back in approximately 10 minutes. Oh, you hear it sizzling? That's the fish. Listen to it. That's a hot ass fire. Wow, look at it. It looks pretty.
That's a fire sizzling.
No, it's not. That's the fish. Is it the fire or it's fish?
Oh, it's hot.
I can't tell. I don't know. My forehead's burning. All right.
You can't even Google it.
I can't Google it because I don't have service. We just gotta guess. I don't think it'll take that long because it's straight fire. Okay, everybody, it's been an additional 10 minutes, and now we're going to try to take the fish out of the fireplace. So I was going to say fish out of the oven. But it's not in the oven, is it, Mother?
It is the oven.
Oh, it's the oven. It's a natural oven. This is, let me tell them something. This is mesquite firewood. What y'all know about that? What you know about that, Mother?
Mesquite firewood.
You know about that
That's a
mesquite?
barbecue thing.
How about that mesquite firewood? All right, let's try to get this out. I feel like it's gonna be stuck this time. Oh look, I got the oven mitt on. I got the oven mitt on the wrong hand. Hold up now. Fingers hot. Move quick. Hold on. Burning. Okay.
Oh my God, don't drop it.
Back it up. All right. Oh, it smells so good. It's the moment of truth. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let me move some of these. Ooh, it's crispy. Yes. Oh, yep, there it is, Ash.
That's your part.
Where's my fork?
Oh, it smells nice.
Oh, it's done now. Look at it. Oh, yeah. Let me try that. Oh, yes.
Taylor, that's hot.
I know. Looks good, though. Look at it. I just messed up right in the middle, too. Oh, yeah. Okay. Hold on. Let me blow it. Mmm. Tastes like a smoked fish. You want to try it?
It's too hot for me.
Oh, wow. Okay, come back. Let me get some more. This is a perfectly cooked fish. Tastes like a mesquite firewood. Can you see that? Can you see that smoke? Can you see it? Can you? Mother, I'm asking you.
Oh, yes, I can.
So what I did with the flavor was I added some salt, some blackened seasoning, you know what I'm saying? I added some Cajun seasoning. So it's a real smoky, blackened, mesquite firewood type of vibe right now. Woo! All right. Good morning, world. It's day 3 in Texas. We had no electricity all day yesterday. We didn't get electricity at all last night. We maybe got it for like 20 minutes. It was 40 degrees in the house. I woke up today and the electricity was finally on. I woke up at like 10 a.m. and it had finally came on. So now it's like 65 degrees in the house. It's getting better, but I literally slept in a winter coat. I slept in these thick gloves I have. I don't even know where they're at. I slept in this hat I had. It's like a lumberjack hat. Don't know where that's at either because it's all in my bed. I got like 2 coats, gloves, a jacket, all that in my bed. I haven't really done much in the past 3 days. This has been a very painful trip. But you know what? It's an experience. I don't really know what we're going to do today. I think we're going to try to find more food. There's a part 2 of the winter storm coming tonight. It's supposed to snow all night and it's supposed to freeze all night. It's supposed to get only worse from here. Like, it's fine. It is what it is. We're just going to get our day started and see where I end up, alright? Okay, y'all, I broke down. I'm in the car. I was in the house laying in my bed shivering. I literally am freezing to death. I don't even know how I'm supposed to make it a couple more days here. And part 2 is supposed to be coming tonight. Part 2. Ooh, winter storm. Why did I do this? I ain't been to Texas in years. Years. And I go, but it's the worst winter storm in history. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We're gonna make it through. We're gonna make it through. We're gonna make it through. We're gonna get out. I had to come turn the heat on in the car because I can't do this. I can't live like this anymore. It's fine. It's fine. It's all mental. It's all in my brain. Change your mind, change your life. I'm about to go change my mindset. Look, I'm literally shivering. Oh, God. Okay. Gotta go. Gotta go. All right, guys. Breaking news. I was in my car, and I was looking at my phone, and the next thing I know, a little Wi-Fi symbol popped up, and I was like, oh my God, oh my God. I ran in here. It's like, we got Wi-Fi. We got Wi-Fi. We got Wi-Fi. We got Wi-Fi. Yeah. We gonna make it. We gonna make it. We gonna make it.
Turn the heater on. Just turn the heater on.
Huh?
Turn the heater on over there. Turn the heater on. Turn the heater on.
It's on. We gonna make it. Ooh, yeah. Pa. Oh my God. Oh my God. Alright. I'm about to make a hot chocolate because my mom has these little hot chocolate ball things that I see all over the internet, so I'm about to try to make one. This will overflow. Ah! Oh, there it goes. It's dissolving. It's going. It's going. Oh wow, look at these little marshmallows and stuff on it. Let me taste it, see what it tastes like. Tastes like candy. Okay, I've got some new food cooking. I'm talking to my vlog. I got some meatballs underneath there. And I got some bread I'm gonna heat up. Some bread. Just gonna put that there. I decided I wanted something sweet. Don't you want something sweet, Mother?
I do.
So I put some mini marshmallows on a stick because we don't have full-size ones, but the mini ones are better anyways. Am I right? Let's see what happens. Let's go for it. Let's burn quick. Wow, that was fast. Oh, I kind of like it. It kind of tastes better. Huh, like a little shot of marshmallow. Oh, my eyeballs are burning off. We've got some cabbage we're gonna try next. Let's see what that looks like.
Oh, the heat of ashes.
I told you I poked a hole in it. Oh, it's hot. We're eating ashes today. Oh wow.
That's good.
Tastes like firewood. That tastes great. Here, try it.
That's too hot.
It's not that bad. Doesn't it taste like
I got a
firewood?
little ash on your lip.
Do I? Is it pepper? Huh. My glass is leaning.
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh, they're getting crispy on top. Wow, it is so amazing. It is so amazing what a fire can do. Next, I will try this meatball. Look at the nice crisp on the exterior. Can you see it all nice and clear? That's a nice little crunch. This is definitely pork. Hi guys. Oh yeah, I finally had anything to do. We're still without power. What time is it? I don't even know because everything's shut off. Do you know what time it is?
No.
Alright, well, we're just living by the day at this point.
Oh wait, 2:30.
Is that work?
Yeah, that's battery.
Oh. Alright, it's 2:30. The sun will go down in a couple hours. So let's see if we survive the night again. Good morning, world! It is day 3. Day 4, day 3.5. I don't know anymore, but it is day 3/4 of me being in Texas, stuck in this winter storm that is just disrespectful. The power is on right now. It's been on for probably about an hour. I just took a shower, washed my hair, had to hurry up and move quick before the power went off again. And then I just tried to throw my clothes, because you know I only came with a backpack. I just tried to throw my clothes in the washer. And hopefully it's on long enough for me to get clean clothes, clean, dry clothes, because my flight is leaving tomorrow morning. I gotta get out of here. I gotta get out of the winter storm. I'm not built for this Texas winter storm. Probably not doing much today. I guess I'll just vlog if I actually do anything exciting. But right now, it's looking like it's gonna be like the rest of the days. It's gonna look like the rest of the days. So I guess just stay tuned to see what I can get into today. I was gonna say maybe I'll go outside and build a snowman, but I'm not going outside and build a snowman because when I come back inside, we ain't gonna have heat and I ain't gonna get warm. So that's not gonna happen. I'll think about it though. I will think about it though. Alright. Okay, vlog. I'm going outside because I'm about to go try to find some food again, and look at these snow boots I just found. They're old snow boots from, I don't even know, and I don't even know why I own snow boots living in Texas. I think I got them for like 20 bucks at Walmart or something. It's really what we call fashion, you know what I'm saying? I'm a fashionista. Let's get a fit check, alright? Let's get a little fit check. There it is. Talking to my vlogs. I got a fit check. Fit check, mother. What are you wearing? Oh, where'd you get there? Where'd you get there from?
Ready to go to Iceland.
Oh yeah, come on. Come on. Come on, let's go dance in the snow. I'm in the snow. Are you driving us? Walking in the snow. Walking in the snow, walking in the snow. Getting in the car, getting in the car. We're in the car, we're in the car. It's cold in the car, it's cold in the car.
Oh, she can turn it.
This looks awful out here.
It does.
Oh. This is where I was born. Right there. I was born in there. Greatness happened that day. What was the day? March 22nd? Wasn't greatness born that day, mother?
Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you. Thank you. We secured more food. I cannot wait to eat it. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my god. Whew. I made it into a wrap. Garlic sauce. Fire. It is Wednesday, 10:26 p.m. I was supposed to be on a flight tomorrow because I was supposed to go to New York, surprise. But the winter storm is headed to New York, so I had to change my flight. So I'm going to be in Texas for 2 more days, and then in 2 days I'll be on a plane to New York, where I will be for approximately 3 to 5 days, probably 5 days. And then after that I will finally get on a plane and I will go back to LAX. And I will not move. I will sit there, I will live a very stagnant lifestyle for a little while. Just soak up the sun, the beach, the ocean. And everything will be great, you know what I'm saying? Because this weather, me being stuck in Texas in this winter storm, I need the sun in my life. I need the sun in my life, the sun in my life. Alright guys, I'm gonna go watch YouTube videos and black out in my bed for the next 2 days. I'll come back if there's anything exciting. If not, I'll see you guys when I get to New York, okay? Alright.